Hey guys, I'm just making my way to the truck right now. We're going to put the stock crate on because I'm about to sell some cattle. So we'll put the crate on the truck and then we'll go and get the mower conditioner out and sharpen some blades, getting ready for hay season. And yeah, so we'll get the crate on and we'll go from there. Sitting a little bit back there. Brakes are turned slightly forward. Well, the stock crate's on now, but we've got to remove or flip them up, all those floor sections, because it's set up for sheep at the moment and a cow doesn't fit underneath that and can't turn around in that real narrow aisle. So yeah, we'll flip them up and take that middle section out and should be ready. Well, that's the truck ready, all cleared out, ready for cattle. Now I'm going to go get the windrower and start working on the mower, and we'll get the cattle in later, and yeah, we'll take them in later tonight. All ready to be loaded. Let's hope the windrower starts and I'm going to get swooped. It's been a prick to start as of late, but we put it on a charger for the last couple of days. It's got an isolator on it too, so turn it off overnight and stuff when we're not using it. Anyway, we'll turn it on and we'll see if it starts. That was better than the last few times we've tried to start it. You know, we'll just prime the accumulators and we'll take it over to the shed and we'll start sharpening the blades on the mower, getting it ready for contracting and hay season. Now, if you're wondering where this machine showed up from, we didn't own it last year, and I bought it to do some contracting and obviously do our own mowing and stuff. So yeah, it's been a bit of a working process. It's got a few hours on it, so I've had to fix a few things, but it's been pretty good. But yeah, we're just gonna tune it up for this season bit to do to it. I've got to sharpen the blades, and this one needs a new skid plate. It's worn out completely. I do have a couple new ones. I've got a couple new stone guards as well, but we'll see if any needs changing. But yeah, we'll get stuck into the, might do that plate and then we'll get into the blades. In that last shot there where it slipped, I managed to split my thumb open, so that's fun. So now it stings like a prick. But we're going to continue on with sharpening, and then we'll come back to that panel once my thumb isn't burning like crazy and stinging. So yeah, we'll just get the grinder and start going along the blades. Blades are nice and sharp now, so it should be pretty right to go from a mowing point of view. I just got to put this new plate on. There's the new one. But now we'll go get the cows and get them ready to put on the truck. Ended up getting that plate off. A little bit of a difference between the new one and the old one, but we'll go grab those cows and get them on the truck. We managed to get the cattle in. Now I've just got to load them onto the truck. Just like that, they're all loaded, ready to go. And just like that, the cattle are done, but that'll probably do me for today, so we'll move into tomorrow. Hey guys, it's a couple days later now. The gas struts have arrived for the windrower, so we'll bring it over here and put them on. Let's hope it starts today. So the struts we're replacing, there's a couple up in here. It is staying up right now, but it quite easily just will land on your head sometimes. So we thought we'd replace those on both sides, and then these badly need replacing. They should hold it out and hold it in, but they're completely buggered. So anyway, we'll chuck the new ones on and it should be pretty right for this season. Out with the old, in with the new. That is the first one. Now it actually stays open and stays closed. They're all done now. Got all the new ones in, and it works very well. It's a lot firmer closing. It actually lifts up now. This side was really bad, it would just land on your head all the time. So. And these are great too. When I was driving down the roads last year, it was going like this when you were driving. But now it actually holds it in, so it's very good. He's just pressure washing off all the guts, trying to clean it up. But that'll probably do for today's video, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.